LG, the Grumpy Fly Fisherman. I'm back home in Lakewood. Had a couple of monster weeks on the road up in Idaho, and then a week up in Breckenridge, Colorado, working the Breck Epic big mountain bike event up there. And didn't get to fish when I was Breckenridge. It was just too busy. But here's some action from the last couple of days of my trip up in Idaho and the road trip home. Hope you enjoy it. I'll get some more video stuff coming up here soon. I'm going to do some casting stuff, some more fly tying stuff, get caught up on some fly patterns from Idaho when I was up there. And my good buddy T.R. Rafferty that I fished with, and was really good to see. Anyway, time to get caught up with you guys. It's been a while. Enjoy the video. If you like it, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Again, I'll have some more fly tying, some casting stuff coming up now that I am back on top of my sleep and off the road. It's been a crazy, crazy couple of weeks. I am out. Enjoy the video. GoPro, stop recording. And more about where I am later. Hopefully we get some fish down here. But another awesome spot. Had a great day working yesterday up at the Pierre's Hole 100. Event went off without a hitch. A little muddy in the morning, but it got perfect later in the day. And here we are. I got to head back home tomorrow. But oh, there's my first eat on a hippie stomper. And we got some mayflies happening right now. So this water I'm fishing isn't known for big fish, which is fine with me. Hey, oh, which is fine with me. And big fish or not, I just like being out here fishing, and already had 2 dry fly eats. So I'm throwing one of my small hippie stompers, and the fish are willing and able, clearly. All right, well, first fish landed. Again, I don't know what's in here, but we're gonna find out right now. Looks like a little bow. Yeah, little rainbow. Ate the trout. Thanks, boss. Got the skunk out of the net for me. All right. Plenty of action out here, mostly small fish. So this is today's triple top secret spot, and man, oh man, there's nobody down here, and I'm catching rainbows and cutties down here, small ones, but it's amazing. Look at this place. Look at that. I forgot the bear spray in the car though. So I guess I'm gonna have to fight him off with rocks. LG, the Grumpy Fly Fisherman, up here in middle of nowhere, Idaho. See if I can get a couple more fish. Haven't been doing, I'm kind of low on battery power, so I've had to conserve today. I'll be back. Another trout eat. These fish have been extremely difficult today. But this is the biggest fish I've hooked in here, for sure. I think I missed him. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. I want to make sure I get this fish in, huh? Yeah. All right. So they're not all small in here. This is a beautiful Fitch Creek cutthroat trout. Hopefully I can get them in. These kind of surprised me. Everything I've been catching in here has been small. It's nice to break that trend. Look at that. Holy smokes. I would consider this a hog for here. Wow, that's amazing. That is amazing. That is a day maker. Holy smokes. That is a beautiful Bitch Creek cutthroat. Are you kidding me? There you go, guys. I might leave after that. And here's the trude stuck right in his jaw. LG's trude. These fish have been making me work today. He's hooked pretty good here. There we go. See you, Mr. Cutthroat. Wow. That was a shock. I think I'm done here, guys. I'm not going to top that. Man, oh man. I think I am just going to wrap it up and move on to the next spot. I did not know I would find a fish that big in here. Amazing. LG, the grumpy fly fisherman, just getting it done, man. On the world famous Bitch Creek. So famous it has a fly named after it. Well, that was a good session. That was a couple hours of great fishing, and glad I had enough battery in the tank to get that one, because that was spectacular. I am out on to the next destination on my last full day in the wonderful world of Idaho. Well, this is the first place I've seen people fishing on this trip. A couple guys up there, and this is the lower part of the Teton Canyon. So pretty far out of Driggs, north of Driggs on the Teton, and I'm gonna see if I can work my way up. It's kind of tough going up here, walking around, so I don't know my way around very well, but I'm on a little island right here. I'm gonna go back across and try and work my way up the river. All right, see if I can come back with some fish action. Awesome morning in Bitch Creek. Now I'm on the Teton. LG, the grumpy fly fisherman. Anyway, it's been an awesome 5 days. Thank you, Andy Williams and Grand Targhee Resort. It's good to see Cody and Colleen Downard and old buddy TR. And we're gonna wrap it up. Back home to Colorado. Yeah, that's where I'm heading. I may stop on the way, just saying. But I'm gonna give you the parting shot you get when you leave Targhee. Coming up right here. This is the first morning it hasn't been like super crazy smoky. And that's the Grand Teton right there. It's kind of right in your face when you're actually in the car. And when you ride to the top of Grand Targhee Resort, that's what you see. You're like right next to it. It's awesome. LG, the grumpy fly fisherman, Idaho. See you next time. All right, grumpy fly fisherman. This will be my last stop on the way home. Another spot I've never fished before, and I am out in the middle of nowhere, and just did a little bit of walking. The price you pay to get to some fishing. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the infamous Green River. And look at that. Yikes. I think I'll walk right down here and start fishing this stuff right here. And maybe work my way upriver. All right, guys. I'll be back. How does this look, gang? All right, well, just got down here. I got a hippie stomper on. That's what I'm going to start with, of course. It's been the fly of the trip. And who knows how much this gets fished. There's just not a lot of people down here. There's nobody down here, actually. So, I don't know what to expect, but I am just going to throw dry flies down here. It is perfect hopper conditions. I got my 4-weight. That might not be enough. That would be a good problem if that were the case. Oh, here we go. Just got here, man. And we got a fish on. I didn't even have time to get the GoPro on. And the hippie stomper Takes its first brown trout. I think this is my first brown trout of the trip, actually. Yeah. Take those all day long. Yeah, this should be pretty good down here. There we go. See you, Mr. Brownie. Awesome. Well, that's a good start. That took all of about 5 casts. I'd like to kind of tell you where I am, but I'm not going to do that. A little breezy out here. That's a good thing. I mean, that'll blow hoppers into the water. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Confidence again in my fly. Small guy. Little skitter brown trout. Yeah, we take all sizes, no discrimination here. Right on. Whew. Good hike coming up here. Well, another gem of the West, the Green River in Wyoming. You know, if you drive and you want to do some walking, you can get to some amazing stuff. If it's easy access, it's not worth it. LG, the Grumpy Fly Fisherman. Middle